Instructions: analyze and solve each problem carefully. Choose the correct answer on the given choices. One, the ratio of apples to oranges is 2 to 7. The ratio of oranges to pomelo is 1 to 2. What is the ratio of pomelo to apples? A. 14 is to 2. B. 12 is to 3. C. 2 is to 14. D. 3 is to 12. The correct answer is A. Explanation: we multiply the two given ratios to cancel out the oranges. The ratio of apples to oranges is 2 to 7, and the ratio of oranges to pomelo is 1 to 2. To combine these ratios, we can multiply the corresponding terms: apples, oranges, pomelo equals 2 by 1, 7 by 1, 7 by 2, equals 2, 7, 14. Therefore, the ratio of pomelo to apples is 14 to 2, which simplifies to 7 to 1. Two, if the length of each side of a regular nonagon is 20 centimeters, find its perimeter. A. 100 centimeters. B. 120 centimeters. C. 160 centimeters. D. 180 centimeters. The correct answer is D. Explanation: a nonagon is a polygon with 9 sides. To find the perimeter of a nonagon, you need to know the length of one side since all sides of a regular nonagon are equal. Perimeter equals 9 times S, 9, 20 centimeters, equals 180 centimeters. Three, solve 2 by 4 by 8x 16 by 32 by 5x 25 by 125 by 625. A. 300 billion. B. 320 billion. C. 340 billion. D. 360 billion. The correct answer is B. Explanation: using exponent properties, we can simplify to equals 2 times 2 raised to 2 times 2 raised to 3 times 2 raised to 4 times 2 raised to 5 times 5 times 5 raised to 2 times 5 raised to 3 equals 2 raised to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 times 5 raised to 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 2 raised to 15 times 5 raised to 10 equals 2 raised to 3 raised to 5 times 5 raised to 2 raised to 5 equals 2 raised to 3 times 5 raised to 2 raised to 5 equals 8 by 25 raised to 5 equals 200 raised to 5 is equal to 320 billion. 4 raised to 2023 plus 4 raised to 2023 plus 4 raised to 2023 plus 4 raised to 2023 equals n. Solve for n. A. 2 raised to 2024. B. 16 raised to 2026. C. 8 raised to 2023. D. 4 raised to 2024. The correct answer is D. Explanation: we can simplify it by combining the like terms. 4 raised to 2023 plus 4 raised to 2023 plus 4 raised to 2023 plus 4 raised to 2023 is equal to 4 times 4 raised to 2023. Now, we can simplify the expression by using the property of exponentiation that states x times x raised to n equals x raised to n plus 1. Applying this property to the expression, we have the 4 times 4 raised to 2023 is equal to 4 raised to 1 plus 2023 equals 4 raised to 2024. 5. How many digits does 1000 raised to 2023? A. 2027. B. 3070. C. 4054. D. 6070. The correct answer is D. Explanation, law of exponents, power rule. Equals 10 raised to 3 raised to 2023. Equals 10 raised to 6069 implies that there are 6069 zeros plus 1 digit. Equals 6070 digits. 6. The cost of 12 bottles of orange juice and 15 cans of soda is 435, while the cost of 20 bottles of orange juice and 8 cans of soda is 436. How much change will you get from a 500 peso bill if you buy 10 bottles of orange juice and 12 cans of soda? A. 164 pesos. B. 136 pesos. C. 146 pesos. D. 216 pesos. The correct answer is C. Explanation. If first, assign variables to the cost of each item. J equals cost of orange juice, S equals cost of soda can. 12j plus 15 equals 435, equation 1. 20j plus 8 equals 436, equation 2. J equals 435, 15/12. Substitute this value of j into equation 220 multiplied by 435, 15 divided by 12 plus 8 equals 436. S equals 17. 12j plus 15, 17, equals 435. 12j plus 255 is equal to 435. J equals 180/12, j equals 15. We have found that the cost of a bottle of orange juice, J, is 15 pesos and the cost of a can of soda, S, is 17 pesos. Total cost equals 10 multiplied by 15 plus 12 multiplied by 17 equals 150 plus 204 is equal to 354 pesos. To find the change from a 500 peso bill, 500 minus 354 is equal to 146 pesos. 7. Solve for the value of x. X plus 2 divided by 3, 5x, 1 divided by 7 is equal to 1 divided by 21. A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. The correct answer is B. Explanation. Multiply both sides by 21. Equals 7 multiplied by x plus 2, 3 multiplied by 5x, 1 equals 1, then simplify. Equals 7x plus 14 minus 15x plus 3 is equal to 1, combine like terms. Equals dash 8x plus 17 is equal to 1, simplify further. X equals 16 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 8. If x equals square root of 2y and y equals square root of 64, what is the value of square root of x? A. 2. B. 4. C. 8. D. 16. The correct answer is A. Explanation. Given x equals square root 2y and y equals square root 64, we can substitute the value of y into the equation for x. Since y equals square root 64, we know that y equals 8. Substituting y equals 8 into x equals square root 2y. X equals square root 2 times 8. Simplifying the expression, x equals square root 16. x equals 4. Therefore, the value of square root x is square root 4, which is equal to 2. Nine. Simplify 24 divided by 12 by 6 divided by 4 by 4 divided by 3. A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. The correct answer is C. Explanation: to simplify the expression 24 divided by 12 multiplied by 6 divided by 4 multiplied by 4 divided by 3, we follow the order of operations. PEMDAS equals 2 multiplied by 6 divided by 4 multiplied by 4 divided by 3 equals 12 divided by 4 multiplied by 4 divided by 3 equals 3 multiplied by 4 divided by 3 equals 12 divided by 3 equals 4. If the absolute value of 2x minus 11 is equal to 24, then what must be the value slash s of x to satisfy the equation? A. 18 over 35, negative 18 over 35. B. 1/2, negative 3/4. C. 35 over 2, negative 13 over 2. D. Negative 35 over 2, 13 over 2. The correct answer is C. Explanation: to determine the value slash s of x that satisfy the equation absolute value of 2x minus 11 is equal to 24, we consider two cases, when 2x, 11 is positive and when it is negative. 2x, 11 is equal to 24, case 1, 2x, 11 is positive, 2x equals 35, adding 11 to both sides. X equals 35 divided by 2, dividing both sides by 2. Negative multiplied by 2x, 11 equals 24, case 2, 2x, 11 is negative. Negative 2x plus 11 is equal to 24, expanding the negative sign. Negative 2x equals 13, subtracting 11 from both sides. X equals 13 divided by 2, dividing both sides by minus 2. 11. Mikaella can do the job in 10 hours, alone. Akira can do the same job in 15 hours. How many hours can they finish the job if they work together? A. 3. B. 6. C. 9. D. 12. The correct answer is B. Explanation: first, set variables for Mikaella and Akira, m and a. M equals 1 divided by 10, A equals 1 divided by 15. When Mikaella and Akira work together, their work rates add up. M plus A equals 1 divided by 10 plus 1 divided by 15. M plus A equals 3 divided by 30 plus 2 divided by 30. M plus A equals 1 divided by 6, it would take 6 hours if working together. The average of 5 numbers is 200. After adding the 6th number, the average increased by 10. What is the sum of the 6 numbers? A. 800. B. 960. C. 1024. D. 1260. The correct answer is D. Explanation: sum of the 5 numbers is S equals 5 times 200 is equal to 1000. New sum adding the 6th number is C equals 1000 plus X, 6th number. New average is 10 more than the previous average. C divided by 6 equals 200 plus 10. Z equals 1260. 13. After taking the college entrance exam, Cristel scored 43, 25, 32 in language, abstract reasoning and science. If each subject has 50 items, what should Cristel get in math to have at least a 75% grade? A. 23. B. 37. C. 41. D. 50. The correct answer is D. Explanation: total score of Cristel for 3 subjects. Total score equals 43 plus 25 plus 32 is equal to 100. For 4 subjects, total items are 200 items. 75%, 4 by 50, equals 100 plus n. N equals 50. Cristel must get a perfect score in mathematics. (14) Find the value of x, given 2, x plus 3, equals 7x, 24. A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. The correct answer is D. Explanation: 2x plus 6 equals 7x, 24. 5x equals 30. X equals 6. (15) Evaluate 1/2 raised to 1/2. A. 2. B. Square root 2 divided by 2. C. Square root 3 divided by 2. D. 1. The correct answer is B. Explanation: applying rules on radical square root, 1/2 equals square root 1 divided by square root 2. Equals 1 divided by square root 2 equals 1 divided by square root 2 times square root 2 divided by square root 2. Equals square root 2 divided by 2. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the Reviewer PH 1001 channel. We are helping you pass the exam.